Alright, so what I'm doing here is took this Dupont connector. I cut one end off, twisted it over, putting one of these tips on. I'm sliding it in like so. Actually fold that a little bit too much. And the purpose here is so that I can put one, I can slide this onto this type connector easier. Just slide it on instead of having to solder it, and I can take it off easier if I want to change it up down the line. So anyway, I've already fluxed this, and then putting a tip on here, and I'm using this lead-free solder wire. So I have two prepared already. Using this 10 volt, 110 volt, 60 watt solder iron. And before I've been using a solder gun. I'm going to go ahead and heat it up. Solder gun, I have a 100 watt solder gun, and it does it a lot faster, but I wanted to start using something, this iron, in case something goes out on the with the solder gun. I have something to back up. So it's heating up. I'm going to go ahead and touch it. Okay, and that's smoking. Alright, looks like that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Heat it up. It's pretty. Get it to the point where the solder melts by touching the wire. It's almost there. And there we go. Just let it flow in a little bit more, maybe. All right, there that should be a good solder. And last one, and I've already done others. So this is going to be the 8th one there for the 8 connectors. So I have this solder gun set for 480 degrees Celsius. That's the max it goes. I'm heating this up. Okay, feels like it's flowing. There we go. All right. Looks like that was a successful solder. And it's Chris from with Power Savvy. And thank you for watching this video on soldering the tips on my Dupont connectors. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them on video on YouTube and or other video. And if you want to be included and be notified of any updated videos or new videos, go ahead and subscribe to Power Savvy. Thanks. Bye now.